Good morning, students. This is Value Education period. Today we are going to see lesson 7, Expanding the Circle, revision. Okay, children? Shall we do the revision now? Expanding the circle. This expanding circle is a very valuable part of growing up, right? So it teaches more about ourselves, about others, and about the world. Right? The expanding circle is teaches more about ourselves and about others and about the world. Right? People who have it in their hearts to touch the lives of others will always find pleasure in reaching out to help others. Okay? So when we expand our circle, we feel more useful. So we feel the joy of caring and sharing. So when we expand from this, what we understand, when we expanding the circle, that will teach us about ourselves. Okay, we will understand about ourselves, and at the same time we will understand about others too, and we will understand about the world, what are the things are having in the world. So like that, this expanding circle will teach us these kind of things. Okay, so now we are going to see a small story, From the Street to a Safe Home. From the street to a safe home. Okay. Karan had returned home from his office. Okay, Karan had returned home from his office. He's come from office to home. Okay. Now, what will you do after come to the school or anything? You just take a tea, right? So he made himself a cup of tea as he sat on the sofa and sipped his tea. What he did, he just sipped his tea. That time, he heard the faint wailing of a child. He heard one sound from outside, that is a wailing of a child. This one child was crying. So, what he did, he went out onto the veranda. Veranda means in the entry of the house, okay? He went out onto the veranda. So, veranda, here the sound was louder. In the veranda, he heard the sound was even louder, but he could not see anyone there. He can hear the sound only. Okay, he can hear the sound only, but he cannot see anyone. So what he did, he just came out from the house. So he stepped out into the street. He just started to walk on the street and just searching where the sound from. Okay, he hear the sound only. He cannot see anybody. So he just started to searching in the street. There at the edge of the pavement was a tiny baby lying on a ragged sheet and crying. The edge of the pavement. Pavement is, it's a flat area. It's a side of road for people to walk. Okay, it is the one area that at the side of the road. Okay, pavement means it's a one area. It's a flat area at the side of the road. So for people to walk, okay, the pavement. So at the pavement, edge of the pavement, one small baby, very small baby is crying there. So Karan picked up the child in his arms. Okay, Karan picked up the child in his arms. The baby was a girl baby. Okay, Karan picked up the girl baby in his arm. The baby is very small. It is hardly a few days old. Okay, it is a newborn baby. It is very, very few days old. So Karan started to look around to see if the parents of the child were nearby. Karan started to searching if the parents are nearby like that. he started to searching if the parents of the child were nearby or not. But there was no one other. There was no one there. He waited for some time. At the same time, he was waited too. But nobody came. Okay. He just searching about the parents of the girl baby, but nobody here. And he waited. Even though he waited for some time, but nobody came. By now, the baby had also stopped crying. Just later, the baby also stopped crying in the comfort of his arms. Okay. The baby also stopped crying. So Karan thought, I cannot leave the baby alone here. So Karan think like that, he cannot leave the baby like that, right? It is a very small baby, so he cannot leave the baby alone. So he thinks he will take her home with me. Okay. Karan thinks like that, I cannot leave the baby alone here. I will take her home with me. So then Karan took the baby to his house and asked Ramu Kaka. Kaka in the sense is a elder brother. Okay, his elder brother. It's known as a Kaka. So Karan took the baby back to his house and asked Ramu Kaka his domestic help to some milk for the baby. Okay, he asked some milk for the baby to the Ramu Kaka. So he just given the milk to the baby. They feed the baby and made her comfortable in a warm bed. Soon the baby slept. So the baby drink the milk and then it just sleep. Okay. Then later the Ramu Kaka asked Karan, whose baby is this? Ramu Kaka asked Karan, whose baby is this? Karan replied, I don't know, Kaka. Karan replied to Ramu Kaka, I don't know, Kaka. I found her lying on the pavement. Okay, I found her lying on the pavement. Somebody must have abandoned her. Somebody must have abandoned her. So already I told pavement means it's a flat area at the side of the road. So that is used for people to walk. Okay. So the Karan replied to the Ramu Kaka, he don't know about the baby. He just take the baby from the walking area of the people. Okay. So he thinks somebody must have abandoned her. Abandoned means leave the baby or just left the baby like that. So somebody must have abandoned her. So like that he replied to Ramu Kaka. So then the Ramu Kaka again ask and suggest something. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? You should take her to an orphanage. Okay. He said you should take her to an orphanage. What is the meaning of orphanage? Do you know about it? Orphanage is a place of children who don't have parents. Okay. So orphanage means it's a place for the children live there who don't have their parents. So Ramu Kaka suggested, what are you going to do now? You should take her to an orphanage. Then Karan was in deep in thought. Karan was in deep in thought because he remembered what his father had told him. Okay, he had some remembering. So what his Baba had told him. So Baba means father. So father had found Karan playing on the street when he was still a very small child. Here Karan also don't have parents. Okay, he is also an orphan. So he had no parents and no one to look after him. So he was a very lonely child. Okay, that time her father only found Karan and he is playing on the street. Her father found him and he only take care of him. Okay, so he is also orphan. Karan also orphan. He had no parents and no one to look after him. Okay, ever since then, father's house had been Karan's home. Ever since then, Baba's house had been Karan's. Ever since then, Baba's house had been Karan's home. Okay, Baba had given Karan all the love and care that an orphan child needed. His Baba giving lots of love and care to Karan. Okay, so he had helped Karan to grow into self-confident. At the same time, his Baba making him as an educated young man who could stand on his own feet. Okay, his Baba make him a educated young man who could stand on his own feet and earn his living. So Baba had changed his life for the better. After he thinking about himself, after he had thought for a while, Karan knew exactly what he would do. Karan knew exactly what he would do. So he told Kaka, I'm not going to take this baby to an orphanage. I'm not going to take this baby to an orphanage. I have decided to set up an orphanage. That time he told he is not ready to take this baby to orphanage. He is going to create orphanage. Okay, there are many children like this one who do not have parents to give them love and care. So my orphanage will provide shelter for such children. He tell like that, those who all have no parents. So my orphanage will provide shelter for such children. Okay. With a great determination and in spite of many hardship, Karan set up an orphanage. Over the years, it has been home to many orphan children. Okay, so these children get nourishing food, a good education and many opportunities to work and play. They were very happy. Okay, they get medical attention and a chance to lead better lives. So the way Karan touched the lives of others is an inspiration for us all. Okay, the way Karan touched the lives of others is an inspiration for us all. Okay, so from this story what we understand, Karan shows us how we can do something good for others as well as for ourselves. Okay, Karan shows us how we can do something good for others as well as for ourselves. We too can be useful part of society. Okay, now we are going to see book back exercise. Take page number 42 and read with me. Okay, check the correct answer. First one, Karan picked up the baby in his arms because the baby was cute or he was concerned about the baby's future. Karan picked up the baby in his arms because the baby was cute or he was concerned about the baby's future. The answer is he was concerned about the baby's future. Correct. Karan only picked the child because he was concerned about the baby's future. Then second one, Karan set up an orphanage because he was very rich or wanted to reach out and help. So Karan set up an orphanage because he was very rich or wanted to reach out and help. So answer is wanted to reach out and help. So Karan is set up an orphanage only for helping others, right? So wanted to reach out and help. Then third one, Karan wanted to help the orphans because he wanted to make money or a difference in the world. Karan wanted to help the orphans because he wanted to make money or difference in the world. The answer is a difference in the world because he's only wanted to help the children. Okay, he wanted to help, so he wanted to make some difference in the world. Then fourth one, reaching out and touching the lives of others requires a generous heart or lots of money. Reaching out and touching the lives of others requires a generous heart or lots of money. Answer is a generous heart, because if you have a generous heart, then only you can able to helping others. Okay, only money it's not enough to help. You should ready to help others. Okay, so the answer is a generous heart. Then fill in the blanks. First one, when we expand our circle, we feel the joy of caring and sharing. When we expand our circle, we feel the joy of caring and sharing. Second one, Karan set up an orphanage to give dash to orphans. Karan set up an orphanage to give love and care to orphans. Right? He wants to give love and care to orphans. Third one, the way Karan touched others' lives is an example of for all. Okay, the way Karan touched others' lives is an example for us all. Then fourth one, it is our dash duty to serve others to the best of our ability. The answer is social. It is our social duty to serve others to the best of our ability. Right? It is our social response. Okay. Then true or false. The first one, the expanding of our circle is a very valuable part of growing up. Is it true or false? Expanding our circle is definitely very valuable part of growing up. Right? So the answer is true. Then second one, people who reach out and help others are really sad in life. Read it again. People who reach out and help others are really sad in life. Is it true? No. Only you started to help others, definitely you feel happy. So the answer is false. So the answer is false. Then third one, we should help people who are less fortunate than we are. We should help people who are less fortunate than we are. Right? So the answer is true. Then fourth one, Gandhiji did not believe in serving the poor. Gandhiji did not believe in serving the poor. Is it right? No, because he is believe in serving the poor. So the answer is false. So the answer is false. Okay. Everyone should take your classwork note. First one, why did Karan bring the baby home? Why did Karan bring the baby home? Karan brought the baby home because The baby had no one to look after her and could not be left on the street, right? The baby doesn't have parents, right? So she can't be alone. So Karan brought the baby home. So read it again. Karan brought the baby home because the baby had no one to look after her and could not be left on the street. Then second one. What made Karan decide not to take the baby to an orphanage? What made Karan decide not to take the baby to an orphanage? Answer is Karan decided not to take the baby to an orphanage because Karan himself had been an orphan who had been adopted by a kind man, right? Karan also a orphan child. Karan also a orphan child. So he don't want to make the child also one orphan, right? So that only he wanted to make orphanage. So he just take care of the orphanage. Okay, so Karan decided not to take the baby to an orphanage because Karan himself had been an orphan who had been adopted by a kind man. Okay, third one. What did Karan decide to do to expand the circle of his life and touch the lives of others? Karan decided to expand the circle of his life and touch the lives of others by starting an orphanage. Right, he started orphanage to touch the lives of others. So Karan decided to expand the circle of his life and touch the lives of others by starting an orphanage. Okay, student, let's read it again. Okay, thank you.